guys, welcome back. It's Joanne, and as we all know that Christmas is very near and everyone is excited for Santa Claus and Santa Claus gifts. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY mini Christmas tree and you can use it as a room decoration. And also guys, do watch this video till end and subscribe to this channel, and I promise you I'll keep you entertained with many more videos. So if you're ready, let's go. So first guys, you have to break thermocol in very small pieces. You can also use thermocol balls. Next, shape a thin cardboard like a Christmas tree. Secure the roll with tape. You can also use glue for this. Next, you have to cut out the extra parts of the roll. Then use a fat brush and apply glue on the whole roll. Then stick the small thermocol pieces or thermocol balls on the roll. When you will put thermocol on the whole roll, it will look like this. Next, we have to put green acrylic paint on the whole roll. I am using sap green. And when your Christmas tree is painted, it will look like this. Yes, it was a bit difficult, but the finished product is so worth it. Then guys, cut out a star from thick cardboard. Trace this star to make another one. Paint the stars. Stick one star like this and the other one on the other side. And guys, a DIY Christmas tree is ready. Hey guys, I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, do give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Comment me and share this video with your friends and family. See you soon. Bye.